It'd be short-sighted to think that you're gonna go to college and graduate and you're gonna have the same career path for the next 40 years of your life. You just wanna be comfortable with the skills to get you to whatever your next destination may be. Mechanical technology is a great stepping stone to a lot of possibilities, which is what you want. Its focus is on the manufacturing industry. In that career pathway, technology progresses at such a rapid rate that we really focus on the fundamental skill sets where students may have developed a process where the answer to the problem changes throughout the years, but they're comfortable with learning these new technologies and how they integrate with one another. So within the coursework, they would have experience with manufacturing industry as a whole, manufacturing processes, running machinery and equipment, anything from additive manufacturing and 3D printing to CNC machining and metalworking and welding. And then along the way, how they integrate with automation systems. So how you can have a robotic tender in a machine task that can be automated, how you can do technological maintenance procedures, so running with hydraulics, pneumatics, and electrical systems. The big differentiating factor between our school and other schools is any kind of content that you learn about, you then get to apply. As soon as you leave the college setting, you're expected to apply those skills. So if anything, it's a confidence booster to have hands-on experience prior to entering the workforce.